What's up, Hawks? We're here at the Iowa Arts Festival, where hundreds of artists are waiting to showcase their work. There's not only art here, there's food vendors, games, and concerts. I can't wait to go. Let's check it out. Summertime in Iowa City even smells good. Let's go get some food. Hello, who am I talking to today?
Hi, my name is Ryan Tiberzio, and my wife and I make everything here.
That's pretty cool. How many years have you been coming to the Iowa Arts Fest?
We've been coming here for on and off for the last 8 years. Yeah, always love the crowd here in Iowa City. Yeah, it's always fresh and always up with the trends, so we enjoy being here.
Since I came last year, it was a good show. I like the people. I come from Kansas City.
My name is Emaija Jones. I am a student here at the University of Iowa. I go to the School of Art and Art History. This is my first year at the Emerging Artists Festival, and this is my table. I've been here set up all morning. I'm selling some original sketchbook pieces.
Most of the works that you see, they are watercolor prints, and you have a couple of originals that you can view in the frames, and outside of that have some graphic design inspired pieces. These are postcards of my botanical activist series.
I'm really proud of you and all this work, especially because you're still in high school.
Yeah, I mean, I just graduated.
Yep, going to the University of Iowa.
That's really cool. Exactly. Look at Hawkeyes. Be like her. Come to the University of Iowa.
Yeah.
And to be in the Emerging Artists section, you do not have to be a student here or even old enough to be a student here. It's from 16 to 25. Hello, and who am I here with today?
Sophia Polking.
And are you a student here?
Yes.
And what's your favorite part about the Arts Festival so far?
Well, I'm really loving the music going on behind us, but right now I'm really excited to go try some of the food.
It does smell good.
It does, and it's lunchtime, like, I'm starving.
All right, Hawkeyes, we're here at day 3 at the Iowa Arts Festival. It's starting to rain, and as you can see, people are still out here buying food, getting some art, and having fun. All right, Hawkeyes, as you can see, it's starting to rain, so we got to get out of here soon, but I'll see you next time we're on location. Bye, and thank you for coming with me to the Iowa Arts Festival.